at the dance. Give me the tingle, make me rockin' at the dance. Now she too hot, steppin' at the dance. Give me the tingle, make me rock, 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 rock. Give me the tingle, make me rockin' at the dance. Give me the tingle, make me rockin' at the dance. Now she too hot, steppin' at the dance. Give me the tingle, make me light it up.
Channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishies. And I also did another video like this, but I left out a few squishies, so that's why I'm making a new one. And like I said in the other video, if you guys didn't notice my new intro video, it's focused on this tree. So it's for my Vlogmas. I'll try to do as best as I can. I'll try to do like couple of videos for this past week because I missed a couple of days of the Vlogmas. And yeah, and right now I'm just gonna be showing you my squishies. And if you guys didn't know what the song to the tree is, it's about the song Light It Up. It's when the tree's all dark, and then when it says light it up, I lighted up the tree. As you can see, my hands in the video and my jingling bells. But I still liked it no matter what. So, yeah. Let's get on to the video. I'm just gonna change the angle, so. You can see my chair is because I'm recording with my iPad. I don't have a camera yet, but I'm hoping I'll get one if I'm good in school. So yeah, let me show you the box I have my squishies in, and I put them in a drawer. I just put them in a box right now for this video. So here's a sneak peek. That's enough for you guys. Okay, so yeah, let's get on to the video. I'm gonna show you the small ones first, and I'm gonna tell you if they're store-bought or online bought, and tell you where I got them. And there are gonna be some names popping up of what the squishy is and where it was from. So just in case if you guys want to buy there. And yeah, I do recommend the online website. I'm going to tell you guys when I see the squishies that I ordered. So yeah, let's get on to the video. First, I'm going to start with my store-bought ones. No, I'm going to start with anyone. So this is my donut squishy. This one I got from Michael's. And the sprinkles came off, but I guess that's fine. And it's a little bit dirty too. So put that right here. The next squishy I got is also from Michael's. It's this ice cream squishy from Michael's, like I just said. It's peeling a little, and hey, that's pretty white. That proves that it's just really dirty. And the stick came out, because that was just really thin. And the thing is peeling. But I still love every single one of my squishies. I'm very thankful for. If I get scammed with squishies, I'm still thankful for what I get. The next squishy is from online. This is my panda bun, and it's super, super, super slow rising. But it's just a little bit dirty, and it has a few cracks in the painting. And this was from Banggood.com. Oops. Why do I keep on dropping it? It's super slow rising. Remember, it's from Banggood.com, and it will be on the screen too. This one is a dog squishy, which I got from Banggood.com online. And I'm going to be ordering more squishies, doing reviews on them. Banggood's sending me squishies to do a review. So this one, you're going to be like, whoa, they sell squishies there? So, yeah. This is a baguette, a small baguette. I have two, and you'll see it when I get to the big ones. This one I got from Kmart, which is a store, not online. This is also super squishy. It actually smells like all the other squishies, because they used to smell like bread, but now it smells like all the other squishies. And it actually smells really good. Next is this emoji bun, which I got online. from Banggood, and it's a little bit dirty and has a few cracks. This is my favorite squishy because like I always play with this one. It's super squishy too. And this one was from Banggood.com if I did not say that, because I'm forgetting really easily. So now I have good small ones, like the ones that are not like too dirty, like these. So this one is store-bought. Unicorn, Dolphicorn. This one, super slow rising, one of my most slow rising small squishies. This one was from CVS, and I know you guys are like, what? They sell squishies at CVS. You guys could go check them out. And whenever I go to CVS, I'll show you all the squishies, and I'm gonna get one of them. So yeah, and I'm also ordering them. So yeah, here's the dolphin squishy, the Dolphicorn. And I'm not gonna spell that like that on the screen. So yeah. So this is my cloud squishy, and it smells like blueberries. And this is also from CVS, and it's super cute. They have all different types of squishies. They had 3 new squishies, 3, and they're all so cute. It's a galaxy ice cream, chocolate covered strawberry, and a catacorn. So now I'm gonna go on to the other small squishies. So this is my pumpkin. It's not squishy at all, and this one is from On. See, it's not super squishy at all. It's just like it's super dense and it's stress ball like. It smells like all the other squishies, but actually really good. And this is from Banggood. All my online squishies are from Banggood. That's all you guys need to know, and I'm still gonna tell you guys still, but like I'm just telling you guys now. So my next squishy is this apple squishy. It's super squishy. Has some defects like this. This is my only worst defect squishy. This is my only worst one. I take care of all my squishies. This one is from online, Banggood.com. And I put, the story about this is how I got all these cracks is I soaked it in water, and then after a couple, like 2 or 3 weeks, it became really squishy like this. It was not squishy like this before, but it also became dense, and then that's how it got all these cracks right here. So yeah, let's move on to the next. This squishy is from stores. This one is from Newberry Comics, and it smells like bubblegum. This one has a few cracks over here, and over here, and over here, and like a little bit of marker right here from one of my homemade squishies. It was made out of Sharpie. So yeah, this one is super squishy. I recommend you guys buy from all of these stores and online. So this one is from online, from Banggood. This one obviously smells like strawberries. And it's super slow rising. Super slow rising. So yeah, I'm sorry if I say words double times. Just because sometimes I forget what it is. Now, I'm going to put this right here. Covering the dolphin a little. How about let's put the dolphin like this. Put the rest like this. Okay, perfect. So next is my big baguette, and my small baguette is right there. I know you guys can still see it, it's right here. Hold up, let me get it out and re-put it right here, like that. So this one is from online, Banggood. I'm just gonna put bread on the title, cause I don't know how to spell baguette, that's sad. It's cause it's French. So it's super slow rising. And I do recommend you guys buy from all these, like I already said. So next is also from online, Banggood.com. And just because I squish it like this, the thing just keeps on ripping, but that's fine. You guys could do better too. See right there too. These just ripped on its own. So yeah, and the thing I don't like about this one is just it peels really easily. See how it's peeling right here? See how the skin's peeling? See all those? That's what I don't like about this Lucky Cat squishy. Okay, I'm just gonna put these right here. So I'm sorry if you can't see it. Now I only have 3 squishies left, and these were all from a store, from the same store. So this is my hamburger cat squishy from Newberry Comics. And this smells like strawberries. And someone's coming in from my house. And this squishy is also from Newberry Comics. And it's a ice cream sundae squishy. Hi. It's super slow rising and squishy. I'm just gonna put it off the side where you can't see. I'm sorry about that. So this is my very last squishy, and this is my special. It's super, super slow rising. Thank you. So this is my bear squishy. It's super sticky and slow rising. And it smells like I don't know what it smells like. Oh, it smells like blueberries, strawberries, and like all types of berries. See, it's super slow rising. She's upstairs. See? And this is my one and only squishy that I love that's super slow rising. So, yeah, now let me change the angle. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this to all our friends. And yeah, so bye. Toodaloo.